Hello everyone and welcome to this Submagic review. Is this the best auto caption tool for creators? In this review, we'll be bringing focus to the features, pricing, pros and cons, and in the end, we'll be able to answer the question. You can also find the link to Submagic in the description below so you can start your experience. So, what's Submagic? Submagic is an AI-powered tool designed to automatically generate captions for your videos. It aims to save you time and effort by eliminating the need for manual transcription. It also helps to add special effects to make the captions engaging. Key features: automatic caption generation. Of course, Submagic uses AI to transcribe your videos, audio, and create captions. Customization. You can customize the caption's appearance, including font, size, color, and positioning. Special effects. It gives you the ability to add emojis and highlight keywords. Then you also have multi-language support. Submagic supports multiple languages, making it suitable for a global audience. Then you have editing tools. This platform provides tools for editing and refining the generated captions. And subtitle translation. It has the ability to translate subtitles into different languages. And now to the pricing. There are 3 tiers that you can go with. You have the starter, professional, and business. And currently, at an annual discount of 41%, you have the starter at $12 per month billed yearly, and the professional at $23 per month, and the business at $41 per month. These different plans have their various perks and limitations, so you'll need to check through to see the ones that best suit your needs. For example, with the starter, you can do up to 15 videos per month, compared to the professional where you get to have 40 videos per month, and if you like unlimited videos, then the business provides that need. It has a max of 2 minutes for the starter, 5 minutes for the professional, and 30 minutes for the business per video. And you have these other options that are key if you'd like to make your choice. There are extra add-ons and they come at a price with Magic Clips, where you can get unlimited clips instantly from long videos with AI. This option is an add-on for the different plans available. Of course, we would like to weigh in on the pros and the cons, and starting with the pros. You get time saving. Because it automates the captioning process, this will save you significant time. It also has the increased accessibility, where captions can make your videos accessible to a wider audience, including those who are deaf or hard of hearing. You also have improved engagement. Captions can help viewers to stay focused and engage with your content. Then the multi-language support. This expands your reach to a global audience. Ease of use. The platform is generally friendly, even for those with limited technical skills. Special effects. This keeps the captions engaging. And on the flip side, with the cons, you have accuracy. While AI-powered, the accuracy of generated captions may vary, especially with complex audios or strong accents. Editing required. You'll likely need to review and edit the captions to ensure accuracy. Although this is more or less the same with many of the AI-powered softwares available today. Costs. The paid plans can be an ongoing expense, and if you're on a tight budget, you'll need to strongly consider that. Dependence on AI. The quality of captions depends on the AI's performance, so you'd have to rely on it. So, is Submagic the best? Well, Submagic is a strong contender in the audio captioning market. If you value speed and convenience, it's a great option. If you need perfect accuracy, be prepared to spend some more time editing. And then you'll need to consider your budget and the volume of videos you need to produce when choosing a plan. So, Submagic can be the valuable tool for YouTube creators looking to streamline their workflow and improve accessibility of their video. So, go ahead and weigh in on the pros and cons as we've discussed carefully and consider trying the free trial to see if it meets your needs. Don't forget to check the link in the description and let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.